Excel has a lot of functionality, but it doesn't always put everything front and center. A lot of its functions are kind of hidden to the user, and you have to enable them in order for you to see it. I mean, this ribbon is already pretty cluttered, and they kind of wanted to keep, some clutter, even more clutter from kind of, confusing things. Some of the statistical functions especially, they've hidden away, and you kind of need to install them again. And it's pretty easy to do that. You'll know if you need to install them because if you go to the Data tab right here, the Data ribbon, you should see an Analysis Toolpak button here. If you don't see it, you need to install it. It's pretty easy. I've already installed it, but I'll show you what to do to install it, and we're also going to install something else while we're at it. So we're going to go to File, Options, Add-ins. You can see the Toolpak here, but don't click on that. Go to here to Manage Excel Add-ins, Go. Click on Go. Make sure to check that, the Analysis Toolpak, and we're also going to use the Solver. I'm going to click OK, and we've now added our Solver. Right? And we're going to use the Data Analysis Toolpak throughout the course to do some slightly more advanced statistics and probability things.